Welcome back to another mind-expanding episode of Reflections in Action, the channel where we dissect the most intriguing thoughts to uncover their hidden gems of wisdom. Today's journey is going to be a thought-provoking one. Our spotlight for today's voyage is a beacon of insight that invites us to explore the delicate dance between effort and the mysterious forces that seem to shape our lives. It's like standing at the crossroads of determination and destiny, pondering the grand design that emerges when we give it our all. Picture this: you're on a path that you've carved with sweat, dedication, and an unwavering commitment to your aspirations. But isn't it curious how the universe seems to respond when you put your heart and soul into your endeavors? It's as if the universe whispers back, rewarding your diligence with unexpected twists of fate. Now, is this luck, mere coincidence, or could there be something more profound at play? Think about it. When you pour your energy into a goal, when you're burning the midnight oil, and when you're pushing your limits, it's like you're creating a ripple effect in a sea of possibilities. Every drop of sweat, every moment of focus, sets in motion a series of events that stretch far beyond what you can imagine. Here's a fascinating perspective. Could it be that by immersing ourselves in our passions and pursuits, we're actually aligning with the natural rhythm of the universe? Perhaps, it's less about chasing luck and more about becoming a magnet for opportunities by the sheer force of our dedication. Consider situations where someone dives headfirst into their craft, wholeheartedly believing in their potential. With every brushstroke, every keystroke, they're creating a frequency that resonates with the very fabric of existence. And in return, they find themselves effortlessly weaving their way into favorable circumstances. Now, let's set our sights on another intriguing concept, that the more we navigate our path with diligence, the more we encounter new crossroads, each offering a fresh twist of fate. It's like carving our own destiny with the chisel of hard work. Imagine individuals treading boldly along uncharted courses. Every step they take, every challenge they conquer, adds a layer to their narrative. Their story unfolds not as a series of coincidences, but as a deliberate masterpiece painted stroke by stroke, anchored in their unwavering commitment. In the grand tapestry of life, could it be that our actions send ripples through the threads of fate, creating a dance between intention and serendipity? The harder we work, the more intricately woven our story becomes, inviting those lucky moments to gracefully twirl into our reality. As we close this chapter of reflection, let's remind ourselves that the interplay between our relentless effort and the universe's whispers of opportunity is a dance that transcends time and space. So, my fellow explorers, let's dare to dance with intention, and let's watch as the rhythm of life unveils its mesmerizing symphony. That's a wrap for today's captivating exploration on Reflections in Action. I hope you found this episode as thought-provoking as I did. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, share your insights in the comments, and of course, subscribe and ring that bell to join us on our journey of discovery. Until we meet again, keep working diligently, keep dreaming boldly, and keep embracing the beauty of life's intricate choreography. See you next time.